In today's video, I'm gonna show you one simple trick to fix Lightroom problem. First thing, go to the search right here, search for Lightroom, and then click on your right mouse in the Lightroom app, click on open file location, and then click again on your right mouse and click on open file location again. Yes guys, and now what you want to do here is make sure that this DLL file is here. As you can see, it's called agm.dll. Make sure that you have this document or this file. After that, scroll down, go to the Lightroom. Where is it? Okay, so when you find the Lightroom, all what you want to do is just click on your right mouse on this Lightroom here and click on run as administrator. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.